let's go back up a little bit and say, well, you know what? This couple, there wasn't a car accident, or if there was a car accident, the spouse that died, but the surviving spouse is left completely independent with no physical injuries. In that scenario, the same will, the same estate plan will go outright to the surviving spouse, because the surviving spouse does not need asset protection. And it will happen without the need for a probate. No probate. I thought you said there was a will, there was going to be a probate. In this estate plan, what we did was we set up what's called a two-prong community property agreement, which says everything we have is ours, everything we ever get is ours, but it doesn't have that third prong. So what it says is, on the death of the first spouse, everything will go under the will of the first spouse. Under the will of the first spouse, what does it say? It says everything goes to the surviving spouse outright. Okay, so how do we get it there? We do what's called the Lack of Probate Affidavit. It is a simple affidavit form. There is no probate required, and the surviving spouse will inherit everything outright. So we combine the benefits of an outright, I love you, simple, no probate scenario, but we plan and protect for the need and asset protection scenario. And that is all done through the wills that we prepare. Now, when you take a look at our wills, you're going to say, that's not the 2-page will like I used to have, or 3-page will. This will is 15 pages or so. It is. Why? Because it might be needed. That doesn't mean it's more complicated if the scenario is for just an outright inheritance. That will happen. But all those other pages and all of those other contingencies and everything else is built into the will, just in case. Now, how would you know that? You would not know that. So I'm glad that you're listening today. And if you have questions, please reach out to your estate planning lawyer, your elder law attorney. Ask them about this contingent asset protection trust and how might that benefit you, because it can make all the difference in making sure that the surviving spouse you leave doesn't go broke because of long-term care costs.